Do you feel tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep? It might not just be your hormones. Here's what a lot of women over 40 don't realise. Cortisol dysregulation. So what is cortisol dysregulation and how do you fix it? Basically, cortisol is a stress hormone. It's one of your body's main stress hormones. And it's like your built-in alarm system. It gives you energy, keeps you alert, and helps you handle stress and like the stresses of daily life. But here's the problem. Chronic stress, poor sleep, or hormonal changes, which can happen during perimenopause and menopause, can really throw your cortisol out of balance, kind of throws it off a bit. And this is called cortisol dysregulation. There's many reasons why this can happen. So instead of following a healthy rhythm, cortisol should peak in the morning for energy and it should drop at night for sleep. But your cortisol might be too high or too low at the wrong times. I actually see this a lot in my clients, that they have very, unbalanced cortisol levels. When they should be high in the morning, they're not. Symptoms are that exhausted feeling, constant fatigue, no matter how much you're sleeping. Energy crashes in the afternoon. You suddenly feel like you need to go and lie down in the afternoon. Trouble falling asleep, or waking up just feeling really unfresh, like you haven't even slept. Belly fat, that like ring round the stomach of fat. Cortisol is a fat storing hormone. Sugar cravings and mood swings can also be a sign of this. Now, actionable tips that you should think about, because the good news is you can fix it. Start with these simple steps like managing your stress, deep breathing, yoga, anything to really help manage your cortisol levels. Eat smart, try to eat magnesium rich foods and eat more vitamin C rich foods. Herbs like ashwagandha can also help. Sleep, try to improve sleep. Stick to a regular bedtime. Avoid screens. This is a really big one. Really try to turn off your devices or avoid screens at least an hour before you go to bed, because this really helps you to unwind and relax. Move moderately, choose like yoga, walking, Pilates instead of very intense workouts, particularly in the evening, because this can really spike cortisol. And hydration is key to really helping with energy in the body. If you find that you are dehydrated a lot, you can always look at an electrolyte to add that to your to your drinks. Cortisol dysregulation is common, it really is, but small changes can really have a big impact on your energy and well-being, and really help to balance your hormones and help you feeling good, particularly during perimenopause and menopause.